persons who are opposed to us going back to school and going back to work, get that out of your mind. Get the economy up and running right away. That is the only way we are going to be able to fund the recovery quickly.
No, Mr. Holness, that's not the only way. All of the money when you get as it relates to aid for your country, you mobilize quick and start spend some of that money there. Of course, we understand. People going back to work will benefit the economy.
She feel for bun and cheese. She make me feel please. She hold me willy and squeeze. She cause me forget me visa.
Bitch, at our party, we not invite them. Puzzle up the card and the bike them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Planet TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
So Vegas, Gay Gas, or whatever you want for name. What you go on now? Me I watch a video with Vegas who come out and us call one girl, one wingworm looking girl. See it? And I said the girl talk about Andrew Holness' mother. Brother, how much time people come out and come this? You, and you not defend yourself. But you are different, Andrew Holness, every time. Please, claw. And you not care. No food. And nothing go give nobody in Jamaica. Brother, people tired of you. People tired of you. Hey, wanna listen to that, brother?
So I just see a video a while ago with a girl, a little wingworm looking girl, full of filter. I talk about the Prime Minister mother, P big. I call the woman big P woman. Let me tell you something, girl.
You sound like you don't have sex with the man, mother. So you can adjust her.
You soon find a man if you deal with the wicked here.
Yeah, so I'm to Andrew Holness.
Remember Karma here?
Time my master for Andrew too.
Let me tell you something, dunce, girl. Well, listen to the Prime Minister's statement about the generator them. I established business man alone the generator them too. That means that they have to return it to the government. Yeah, so when we have a God forbid another disaster.
Yes, you see all them talk when them know say them mess up. All when they, just in case we have a stutter. You know why I'm stutter? Because him know say what him say is wrong. FEMA say it. The Prime Minister give somebody, lend somebody a generator, and I'm gonna pick it up back. Something that is not even rightfully is. So you must save money for everything. Andrew Holness don't want to dip in his pocket. You know what funny? Andrew Holness could have gone in his pocket, you know. Before anybody send $1 to him. Andrew Holness have enough money when he could have gone in his pocket. Nobody now send him in his pocket. Andrew, you forget the people in Jamaica some money. Simple.
We can't have these generators to loan out again. Dunce, girl. Don't see that, girl. You load up on the internet and you're some fucking dunce. I tell the man about him and I call the woman. I'll call the woman. Hey, girl, you see you? The day I go come. So I just see a video.
So, anybody understand the video here? Oh, Vegas are defend the Prime Minister. You are a member of Parliament? Vegas, are you an entertainer?
Yeah, me tell you, Alkaline not done yet nothing to hurricane victim of Jamaica. Every time I look on the internet, I see somebody else fabricate a story I talk about Alkaline done yet, but him not like show up himself. So if him not like show up himself, why is this on the internet? No go like I don't know, say Alkaline bust off a blood clot. Like, I don't know who is fabricating this story, but the more you fabricate it, the more I make a video. Until you come with some proof that Alkaline done yet, me stop blood clot make video. But if not, yeah, if me Google Spice, when me Google Spice, they show me what Spice done yet. Me Google Massacre, it show me what Massacre done yet. Me Google Vybz Kartel, you show me what Vybz Kartel done it. So why when me Google Alkaline is telling me still Bamba class searching? Only look a Vendetta fans, you don't need to stop it, bro. Why do I give an artist credit for something you know he's not involved Bamba clot in?
Yeah, me raise the key and clot it. This a work and 4 feet squeeze 3 and left fire range face in a dark shit. Me swung fully bad no like to use sleep until I pussy run up and see if me no use this. Hear the 40 ball go off a top movie near him grandmother ball up. Me I beg you do not shoot him. Turn it pan granny to no bad I feel a laughing when he
it's your sissy them boy. Bad man we empty the tech. Empty the tech where we empty the tech about 20 you get. You never buck up on a real killer yet. Say them bad and no consider that when me empty the tech. Empty the tech when we empty the tech about 20 you get. You never buck up on a real killer yet. Burn them skin like a pack of cigarette.
You know what I want him to get for realize with dancehall is that some people in a dancehall will push you up with their mouth. But when you see it comes to you posting a music out there, they are not liking it, they are not commenting, and they are not sharing it. So, in order for the music to go somewhere, you have to go and like these music. So if you have an artist where you say, this are my artist, only now like their music, how is it that in a 2025, some of them artists your name have been called running up against Vybz Kartel, but their album is not running nowhere close to Vybz Kartel albums? Why Vybz Kartel is the only artist out of Jamaica that have 2 albums that reach the Grammy Award, that was nominated? So that simple tell me that you not really rate to the artists them wanna call them name. You just be a nice empty barrel. Because if you need to make some nice and not make movements, me would understand. Albums like your favorite artist and your favorite artist, albums would have then right next to Vybz Kartel albums. Anytime Vybz Kartel drop an album, when you talk about this album sell this and this album sell that, we are not showing that it sell nothing when time album is nominated to go to the Grammy Award. So, only they try, but it never reach. So, we want to catch it again. 2025, the only dancehall artists have 2 albums that reach Grammy Award. Is Vybz Kartel? So where is all of the noise? Why the noise was making? If you not go support on the artist, you shut up. When Vybz Kartel drop a song, we go support him. So if you not go support on the artist, you shut up. It shows that Vybz Kartel have some people who is not just loyal. We are supportive of everything that Kartel is doing. And you need to do the same with your favorite artist.
See boy Kartel, how the fuck you can talk about squash a go lick road? Cause him a go change. If you're bomba clot. A 13 blood clot years you spend in a blood clot prison, bitch nigga. And you mean to tell me you spend 13 blood clot years in a prison and then you come out and big up all I water them in a blood clot prison. You're coming like a post wall. Hey boy, go. You know, see you spend 13 blood clot years in a prison and them boy they run up and down with gun, batty boy. Go from me so. But man I go change. Change him blood clot. Come out of prison. When he come out, where am I go? Ain't no way a Jamaica film blood clot go. You know, see Jamaica mash up post wall. Eh? Hey boy, you know, say it's a big blood clot shit house on the internet. Eh? Where they on the internet I do post wall. Eh? Run off a blood clot internet with your mistake, man. You see a mistake there, a mistake your blood clot self and a mistake your identity post wall. Where you mistake yourself and a mistake your blood clot identity for post wall. What take you? Eh? You fit top fuck body. That you fit top blood clot though. Yeah. More and more you fuck see them in our blood clot body boy. Fuck your company you come talk about squash soon come out. That boy go from us so. Soon come out your blood clot in body boy. Eh? 13 years you spend in a prison. I mean me can't tell how much time squash cope you come say that about blood clot you. Nigga, run away. You bumble hole.
Hey, you know one question I want the people them for asking in Parliament. Because I say Andrew only say they want $6 billion for restructure Jamaica. Andrew only never tell the people them if a US or Jamaica. One of them thieving syndicate say a $6 billion US we want for restructure Jamaica. And yet still him have a next one out there tell the people them say a $10 billion it go cost. We want Andrew only to tell you which one of the Jamaican people and the world supposed to believe. Because broke no one broke blood clot America. For you come give me $6 billion US a week for fix back Jamaica. And your thieving friend them say $10 billion for fix back Jamaica. Who want to know what the right figure? On the two blood clot thief and corrupted. But who want to know? Andrew only tell me. If a 10 million US not gonna get the MP them because 150 million US they get. So US should not get the man them and not Jamaica, you know two blood clot wicked and thief.
Yeah man, I want to have a batty Vegas man. Batty Vegas, know this. Every artist, we're going to sing for Andrew Let's drop off. I don't have to call the name because one of them I know really. Will drop off. A good youth. I'm going to wish him all the best. But yo, go wear Andrew Hollis sweat up jersey. We mark 1 p.m. And at the end of you that, from you to that, you bow to the slave master. Yeah, you bow to the devil. You bow to the wicked. So when we see out there on the media, leave music and go and go defend Andrew Hollis and him corruption, it speaks volume. So don't worry yourself, Vegas. We know you don't have nothing better to do. Because them young youth here run your foot hot, you know. You can't find a good tune for match up to your dog them. But go and defend Andrew and the corruption, no?
The boy Gaza, so then music from Shibada was a rascal boy. Come out after the people them attack and I lick out for them rights. I said them not see the Prime Minister from the storm pass through. This man come out and defend my youth. Yeah, what? I watch Andrew Holness brief them, my youth. Yeah, what? Yeah, this big black ugly one that talk like Andrew Holness semen stuck in him throat. He made ball and ugly like no blood clot. If they don't come up, low Andrew, my youth, the people need the help. You know the situation, the people talk, my youth. You hear that? Lord, the people them vindicate for them help, my youth. You come out. Make Andrew give you and this big black ugly woman let me see, and the big ugly bald one. Make Andrew go no 3 truckload of goods on and the Batman on the name Destiny too. All him used to defend Andrew too. Make Andrew Holness go no truckload of goods on the blood clot, Westmoreland and Chilania and them places and give away the goods them. Instead they come out and attack the people them when them attack for what them want and them rights, brother. The people them vote him in, brother. We know say him not gonna definitely dip on the ground and give you things, brother. But him have no. We are defend him. We can say, yo, take that go there so and line up a chocolate of this and line up and go down there and do all nothing done. No, you're there attack the people them. And you watch Andrew Reed, batty boy. You and that big ugly black ballad one they will talk like Andrew Seaman stuck in him throat. Vegas, look there, Cartel just come out of prison, the man can donate rascal how much million to the thing, my youth. Brother, Andrew, one thing more you do for me. Put rascal Vegas in a jail and take out Ninja Man. Because Ninja Man done all and donate to brother. Them waste man there for they in a jail. A batty boy them there, Vegas them, a batty boy them.
Yeah. Let's talk to the government. You don't have no sense. Brother, you have to turn to Santa Cruz, you know, one way. The bypass, one way to the drop zone. Oh yeah, where Melissa drop, where the cone go, we call it the drop zone. I don't know if I'm right or I'm wrong, but we just call it the drop zone because we got some drop there. But Santa Cruz need to turn in a one way. It can't take 1.5 to 2 hours just to get to Santa Cruz alone. Because what, it's a 1 hour town and they might have 2 roads. One near bypass and then the next one road. Government call out some police now or something. I turn the bypass one way going west and the town going east one way. Stop fuck with me.
Melissa, how you tan so bad?
She thief couple steam fish from Dungamore. The soup butterfly before the chef could have story. She said the war thing and the crime we feel how we act. So we are show we are my friend named Howie. She bad like say she shine. The military JDF could have stop her now the constabulary balaclava.
Christ is also the Father, and he also was born as a son.
But I Trinitarian doctrine.
So yeah, but nobody Trinity walk on. But element the Trinity walk and talk in the Bible. 3 man the Trinity visit Abraham. 3 man.
So, but we believe in the Trinity now.
Not believe in the Trinity. We know the Trinity. Element. Who talking there?
I'm gonna check out the big 6.
So that identified as reincarnation. You agree with that?
Yes, but reincarnation is something what happened
on flesh.
Just now, that is reincarnation, right?
Yes, reincarnation has happened.
Right, you believe, you know, or you believe that reincarnation is Hinduism.
Nah, the reincarnation Hinduism believe in, that foolishness. Them believe,
This,
listen, let me explain Hinduism on. Hinduism believe that when you're alive now, you could come back as a bird, or some other, come back as an animal. That is Egyptology too. Egyptology in the Egyptian book of the dead, it tell you how that when you're unalive, you have to put spells around your coffin to secure your place in the afterlife, or to make you come back as an iron hawk or a flying.
so Christ can come back as Melchizedek? Christ can come back as Selassie?
Listen, element. Listen. Melchizedek is before Christ. Melchizedek is the first son of God. So Christ come like a clone of Melchizedek. They have a similarity. One die once for the world, Christ, but one never die, which is Melchizedek. Understand?
So who else in the Bible had the Spirit of God reincarnated into them?
Me.
And you. So then you believe in reincarnation, which is Hinduism. Hindu.
In Hinduism, when you reincarnate, you could come a butterfly. You could come.
Right. Yeah.
Listen, brother. Here the reincarnation we talking about, right? We was here already. We live in Christ's time, right? And we come back through the Spirit of God bring we back. So we come back with the same knowledge and understanding or advancement to it. So what Jah do now? Jah bring we back with different flesh. Not the same flesh what we rotten before, but he bring we back. We same. He come like he lead we into the same way of knowledge now, the same understanding. We gonna come back with but different flesh. So that with me now. So that why the beggar now he was carried in the bosom of Abraham. When the rich man look up in the grave and see Lazarus going in Abraham's bosom, it's showing that how it's trying to show you that Lazarus now, the reason why he went in Abraham's bosom is because in Christ's time, everybody was unalive. Right? But the good people come back again in the last days. Lazarus come back, Mary come back, everybody come back. Not the same flesh, different flesh, but same spirit. Understand? Even the rich men come back, even Judas and them come back, even Satan come back. It was different flesh, but same spirit. So listen, let me finish. So yeah, the Bible showing an element. The Bible said this generation would not pass until all be fulfilled. So here what it mean? It mean when Christ said that, the people who was living in them time with Christ, right? That the same people who living now. That's why he say this generation wouldn't pass until all be fulfilled. So all must be fulfilled with the same generation that was in Christ's time.
So you believe that all who in the Bible reincarnated into somebody presently today?
No. All who in the Bible, they come back again with the same spirit what they had before. If it was wicked,
the same people.
Right. So if it was wicked, if the Bible say
Pharaoh, all of them.
Yes, brother. Listen this. The Bible say he that was wicked will be wicked still, and he that was righteous will be righteous still. So it's showing you now that people in them time, they come back for the last judgment. Element, this is the last judgment. Hear what it mean? It mean if a man unalive now, he can't come back again. It has no more reincarnation. But Hinduism say he could still reincarnate again as an animal.
Everybody tune into Clabberden TV. Watch it in a 4K or 3D. Like, subscribe, share and watch it for free. Fire Rangers them, yeah. Where them a pre. Everybody tune into Clabberden TV. Watch it in a 4K or 3D. Like, subscribe, share and watch it for free. Fire Rangers them, yeah. Where them a pre.
Pull up after your first and last. Hold your jacket.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care who I get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go sharp and ground. The war start and I got done. Them a try to aggravate me. The pussy them a try